Today probably would have felt a little nicer getting out.
Everybody's going to be wet at the lobster dip tomorrow, whether they go in the ocean or not.
True.
Yeah, we have a big change coming for New Year's Day. Storm moving in with mostly rain, but up in the mountains there will be some snow. A big change after today, though. We got to 50 degrees in Portsmouth, Bangor with a high of 48, 49, the high temperature today in Bar Harbor. The sky is still mostly clear, so the temperatures have dropped, but I think they'll level off a little bit over the next few hours, so we won't be dropping a whole lot more from where we are right now. You can see the clouds starting to move into southern New Hampshire. Those will be spreading into southern Maine over the next couple of hours. And this is the system that moves in for tomorrow. It will be raining tonight when the ball drops in New York City, but around here we will stay dry until well after midnight tonight. So we'll show you this here hour by hour. By 9 o'clock, clouds starting to move in, and at midnight it's mostly cloudy, but it will be dry. Between about 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. this precipitation will be moving in, and for most of central southern Maine it will be rain. But once you get into the foothills, around the Oxford Hills, the Mount Washington Valley perhaps, and into the mountains, that's where we will have snow, which may come down at a pretty good rate for a while tomorrow morning, but it really is elevation driven. If you're down in the valley floors, it may have a tougher time accumulating, while with elevation it will accumulate a little bit more readily. Through midday tomorrow, this rain moving through, heaviest in eastern Maine by that point, and then I think tomorrow afternoon it's just dreary for most of us with snow showers in the mountains, sprinkles, and a few spotty rain showers everywhere else. So in this green shaded area, we're looking at about a ½ inch to an inch of rain. It will be all rain within this zone. In the gray area, it's mostly rain, but you may get a little snow that mixes in with some slushy accumulation. Then once you get up in elevation around Route 2, that's where 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible, and 3 to 6 and perhaps a bit more than 6 once you get above about 3,000 feet in elevation. Now tomorrow night, it remains unsettled. We'll have some rain showers that continue to the south, some snow showers in the mountains. Thursday, outside of the mountains, is a mainly dry day, but the wind will be kicking up on Thursday, and that will cause some upslope flurries and snow showers in the mountains. So likely to have some snow continuing with a little bit of minor accumulation up there on Thursday. The wind will be gusty, though. We'll have gusts 30 to 40 miles per hour on Thursday, and that begins to usher in some cold air. And once that cold air arrives Friday through this weekend, it'll be hanging around for a while. The first half of January looks quite cold, but right now, at least through early next week, it looks like the jet stream will be to our south. So I don't see any big chances for snow unless this storm track early next week does creep back up to the north. But right now, it just looks cold and dry this weekend into early next week. Gale warnings up on the water. Seas tomorrow will be running 5 to 8 feet. So most of us have rain tomorrow, but it will be snowing in the mountains, particularly near and north of Route 2. That's where the plows will have to come out. Windy on Thursday with snow showers continuing in the mountains. It's still gusty on Friday, and then the weekend's cold and dry. And next week, Amanda, looks to be colder than average. Nothing crazy, but it looks like classic January around here.
2025 kicking off with a bang.
It is.
All right, Ryan,
You're
thank
welcome.
you.